Honey for better erections? What doctors don't tell you. Erectile myths busted. Hey everyone. Welcome back. Today we're tackling one of the biggest trends in men's health, honey packets promising explosive sexual performance. Social media is flooded with clips showing guys chugging royal honey for instant erections. But here's the sting, the FDA just seized thousands of these products laced with dangerous hidden drugs. In this video, we'll separate the tiny science from the massive risks and reveal what actually works for erectile health. Stick around, this could save your life. First, what are these honey packs? They are single-use sachets, often branded royal honey, black horse, or X-rated honey, claiming to boost libido, stamina, and erections using natural ingredients like ginseng or royal jelly. Let's break down why the FDA calls these products significant health risks. Unregulated dosing. These packs contain unknown amounts of prescription drugs. One sachet could have 2x a safe dose 13. Deadly interactions. Tadalafil sildenafil plus nitrates, like heart meds, equals dangerous blood pressure drops 29. If you have diabetes, heart disease, or high cholesterol, this combo could be fatal. Severe side effects, priapism, painful 4+ hour erections, vision loss, seizures, even kidney damage reported 711. Allergy roulette, undisclosed ingredients risk anaphylaxis 7. These aren't supplements, they are illegal, unregulated drug cocktails. Okay, but could pure honey help erections? The science is weak but intriguing. Nitric oxide boost. Antioxidants in raw honey may support blood vessel dilation for erections 1015. Flavonoid factor. Diets rich in honey's flavonoids linked to lower ED risk by fighting diabetes, heart disease 15. Animal studies. ONLY. Tuolang honey improved rat sperm motility. Mad honey increased rat testosterone. 0 human trials prove honey treats ED 15. Reality check. If you have ED, it's often a sign of deeper issues like clogged arteries or diabetes. Skip the sketchy honey packs. Here's what actually helps. White heavy checkmark prescription ED meds. Viagra or Cialis are FDA approved, dose controlled, and monitored. White heavy checkmark L-arginine. 5g a day of this amino acid boosted erections in 31% of men by increasing nitric oxide 14. White heavy checkmark lifestyle fixes. Weight loss, exercise, and quitting smoking improve blood flow better than any honey 14. White heavy checkmark therapy. Anxiety causes 25% of ED cases. Counseling works 4. Crossmark DIY honey mixes. Garlic, ginger, honey tonics. No proof they help. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It tells YouTube this topic matters. Subscribe for more no-nonsense health myth busting. Comment below. Have you or a friend tried these honey packs? Share your story. No judgment. Stay safe, stay informed.